Looking to spice up your text with stunning alphabet designs? Meet Gentype, your ultimate creative partner for generating unique alphabet designs. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. First, enter your text prompt and hit the Generate button. Get ready for the magic. In an instant, Gentype will present you with a dazzling variety of alphabet designs, each tailored to your prompt. Now, let's take a closer look and find the perfect one. Found a design that catches your eye? Simply click to download it directly to your device. But wait, there is more excitement ahead. Not completely satisfied? No worries. Just hit the Regenerate button and watch as Gentype conjures up even more thrilling variants. Ready to craft a full sentence with your selected designs? Let's move on to the final step. Type your desired word using the selected alphabet designs. Once you are thrilled with your creation, save your unique alphabet design as an image. With Gentype, generating stunning alphabet designs is as effortless as typing a prompt. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.